Welcome to the Ring of Knowledge, your trusted source of financial and practical knowledge. PepsiCo is one of the world's leading food and beverage companies with a diverse portfolio of brands that includes Pepsi-Cola, Lay's, Doritos, Gatorade, Quaker, and more. PepsiCo operates in more than 200 countries and territories, serving consumers more than 1 billion times a day. PepsiCo's net revenue in 2022 was $86 billion, making it one of the most profitable companies in its industry. And in this video, we will explore whether investing in PepsiCo aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. PepsiCo's vision is to create more smiles with every sip and every bite by offering products that are delicious, nutritious, convenient, and sustainable. PepsiCo is committed to innovation, quality, and growth across its categories of beverages such as carbonated soft drinks, juices, water, sports drinks, snacks such as chips and crackers, cereals such as oatmeal, and other foods such as dips. PepsiCo also owns some of the most iconic brands in the world that generate more than $1 billion each in estimated annual retail sales. PepsiCo's history dates back to 1898 when Caleb Bradham invented Pepsi-Cola in New Bern, North Carolina. In 1965, PepsiCola merged with Frito-Lay Incorporated, a company founded by Herman W. Lay, who started a potato chip business in Nashville, Tennessee in 1932. The merger created PepsiCo Inc., a global powerhouse that expanded its product range and geographic reach over the years through acquisitions such as Tropicana in 1998, joint ventures such as Sabra Dipping Company in 2008, partnerships such as SodaStream International Limited in 2018, and organic growth. Why should you invest in PepsiCo? PepsiCo is one of the most attractive investment opportunities in the food and beverage industry, as it offers a combination of strong fundamentals, competitive advantages, growth potential, and shareholder returns. Financial performance. PepsiCo has been a shining star in the food and beverage industry for many years, and its financial performance reflects this. The company has consistently delivered impressive results year after year, and 2022 was no exception. In fact, PepsiCo achieved a net revenue of $86 billion, which is a whopping 10.9% increase from 2021. This highlights the strength of the company's business model and its ability to adapt to changing market conditions. What's more, PepsiCo has also been able to achieve impressive organic revenue growth of 8.5%, which is clear indication that the company's core business is growing at a healthy rate. This is a testament to the strength of the company's brand and the loyalty of its customers. PepsiCo's growth potential is significant, given that it operates in more than 200 countries and territories, serving consumers more than 1 billion times a day. This global reach is a major competitive advantage that few companies in the industry can match. PepsiCo's net income in 2022 was $7.4 billion, which is a 9.2% increase from 2021. The company's earnings per share, or EPS, also increased by 9.2% to $6.43. This EPS growth is a result of higher operating profit, lower interest expense, and lower effective tax rate. PepsiCo's operating margin in 2022 was 16.3%, which is a remarkable improvement of 40 basis points from 2021. This demonstrates the company's ability to manage its costs and expenses efficiently while still investing in its brand and capabilities. Market position. PepsiCo's dominance in the global food and beverage market is further enhanced by its diversified portfolio of brands that cater to a broad range of consumer preferences and occasions. The company has a deep understanding of its consumer needs and continuously innovating to meet their changing demands. PepsiCo's brands not only offer great taste and quality, but they also reflect the company's commitment to sustainability, health, and wellness. This is reflected in PepsiCo's portfolio of good-for-you and better-for-you products that offer healthier options to consumers who are increasingly conscious of their health and wellness. PepsiCo's snack brands in particular have established themselves as household names, known for their delicious flavors and textures. Lay's, for example, is the world's leading potato chip brand, while Doritos is the top-selling tortilla chip brand globally. Cheetos, Ruffles, Fritos, and Tostitos are also some of the most popular snack brands worldwide. PepsiCo's beverage brands are also well known globally, with Pepsi-Cola being one of the most iconic brands in the world. Mountain Dew, Gatorade, Tropicana, Aquafina, Lipton, and SodaStream are also some of the most popular beverages brands that PepsiCo owns. These brands offer a range of products from carbonated soft drinks to juices, water, and sports drinks. They appeal to different consumer preferences and occasions, from quenching thirst to providing energy and hydration. PepsiCo's diversified portfolio of brands, global scale, competitive advantages, and growth potential make it an attractive investment opportunity in the food and beverage industry. PepsiCo's focus on innovation, quality, and sustainability, along with its commitment to creating value for shareholders and communities, makes it a company worth investing in for the long term. Innovation strategy. PepsiCo's dedication to research and development is not only innovative but also responsible, as it strives to provide products that cater to changing consumer demands while prioritizing sustainability and health. By investing a whopping $800 million annually on research and development, PepsiCo sets a high standard for itself and the industry as a whole. The company's research and development efforts span across different areas such as flavors, formats, ingredients, packaging, and technologies to improve the quality, convenience, nutrition, and sustainability of its products. With such a robust innovation strategy, PepsiCo is poised to lead the way in the food and beverage industry. PepsiCo's recent innovations demonstrate the company's commitment to meeting consumers' evolving preferences and lifestyles. For instance, the Lay's Poppable Snacks provides a lighter and airier option for potato chip lovers, with the Pepsi Zero Sugar Mango flavor adds a refreshing twist to the popular Zero Sugar CSD. Furthermore, the Gatorade GX Sweat Patch wearable device helps athletes to track their hydration needs more accurately, while the Quaker Kids Organic Whole Grain Bars and Bites offer a nutritious and organic snack for kids. Finally, the SodaStream Professional platform lets users create their own customized sparkling water with different flavors and carbonation levels, a perfect solution for workplaces or public venues. Sustainability initiatives. PepsiCo's sustainability initiatives are a testament to its commitment to being a responsible corporate citizen that cares about the well-being of the planet and the people who inhabit it. The Positive Agricultural Initiative is a perfect example of how PepsiCo is making a positive impact on the world. By sourcing 100% of its key ingredients sustainably by 2030, PepsiCo is not only promoting responsible farming practices, but it's also improving the livelihoods of more than 250,000 farmers in its supply chain. This is achieved by providing them with training, financing, and technology that allows them to produce crops more efficiently and effectively while also protecting the environment. The Positive Water Impact Initiative is another example of how PepsiCo is committed to sustainability. By replenishing more water than it uses in its operations by 2030, PepsiCo is demonstrating its dedication to conserving water resources and reducing water scarcity in the areas where it operates. In addition to this, PepsiCo is also providing safe water access to 100 million people in water-stressed areas by 2030 through partnerships with NGOs such as Water.org and the Nature Conservancy. This initiative highlights PepsiCo's concern for the well-being of people around the world, as well as its commitment to conserving natural resources. Dividend policy. Investors who are looking for a stable source of income may find PepsiCo's dividend track record and yield attractive. As a dividend aristocrat, PepsiCo has established itself as a reliable provider of increasing dividend payments, and the fact that it has paid dividends every year since 1965 and raised them for almost half a century speaks volumes about its commitment to shareholder value. Moreover, PepsiCo's current annual dividend per share of $4.60 translates to dividend yield of about 2.6%, which is higher than the average yield of S&P 500 index. This means that investors can expect to receive a solid return on their investment in the form of regular dividend payments. What's more, PepsiCo's dividends growth rate over the past 5 years has been impressive, with an annual increase of about 8.3%. This is well above the average inflation rate of about 2.2% over the same period, meaning that PepsiCo's dividends have not only kept up with inflation, but have outpaced it, preserving their purchasing power over time. This is a testament to PepsiCo's strong financial performance and its ability to generate increasing profits year after year. PepsiCo's dividend aristocrat status, attractive yield, healthy payout ratio, and impressive dividend growth rate makes it a compelling investment opportunity for income-oriented investors who value stability, consistency, and long-term growth potential. Pros and cons of investing in PepsiCo. The pros of investing in PepsiCo. Strong financial performance. PepsiCo has established a commendable history of achieving sustainable and profitable growth throughout its operations. Notably, in the year 2022, the company recorded a remarkable 8.5% organic revenue growth rate, which excludes the impact of various factors such as currency fluctuations, acquisitions, divestitures, and other structural changes. This growth is indicative of the health of PepsiCo's core business across all its segments and regions. Furthermore, PepsiCo's net income for the same year amounted to $7.4 billion, reflecting a 9.2% increase from the previous year, whereas its earnings per share, or EPS, amounted to $6.43, also representing a 9.2% increase from the previous year. PepsiCo's EPS growth can be attributed to the company's higher operating profit, lower interest expense, and lower effective tax rate. It is also worth noting that PepsiCo's operating margin in 2022 was 16.3%, which represents a notable improvement of 40 basis points from the previous year. PepsiCo's improved operating margin showcases the company's impressive capability to efficiently manage its expenses and costs while investing in its brands and capabilities, ultimately driving continued growth and success. Leading market position. PepsiCo stands out as a prominent player in the global food and beverage industry, thanks to its strong market position and extensive range of iconic brands. Its diverse portfolio caters to a broad spectrum of consumer preferences and needs, enabling it to stay competitive in the dynamic marketplace. Among the snack brands that PepsiCo owns are Lay's, Doritos, Cheetos, Ruffles, Fritos, Tostitos, and many more, which command a significant market share of over 40% in the global savory snacks market. Furthermore, the company's ownerships of some of the most popular beverage brands such as Pepsi-Cola, Mountain Dew, Gatorade, Tropicana, Aquafina, Lipton, and SodaStream, among others, accounts for approximately 45% of its total revenue. These brands also give PepsiCo a diversified exposure to various beverage categories, including carbonated soft drinks, juices, water, sports drinks, energy drinks, and others, thereby appealing to different consumer preferences and needs. Strong innovation strategy. PepsiCo is a global food and beverage company with a diverse portfolio of iconic brands that serve consumers in over 200 countries and territories. With a net revenue of $86 billion in 2022 and a strong track record of consistent and profitable growth, PepsiCo is a viable investment option for investors seeking long-term gains. Furthermore, PepsiCo's leading market position in the global food and beverage market with popular brands such as Lay's, Doritos, and Gatorade gives it a competitive edge. The company's innovation strategy, which involves investing heavily in research and development to create new products that cater to changing consumer preferences, is another reason to invest in PepsiCo. Additionally, PepsiCo's sustainability initiatives, which aim to source key ingredients sustainably, replenish more water than it uses, and achieve net zero emissions, demonstrate its commitment to creating positive impacts for people and the planet. Finally, PepsiCo's status as a dividend aristocrat, with the current annual dividend per share of $4.60 and a dividend yield of about 2.6%, makes it an attractive option for income-seeking investors. Cons of investing in PepsiCo. Declining CSD consumption. PepsiCo is confronted with a significant challenge concerning the long-term decline in carbonated soft drinks, or CSD, consumption in its core markets such as North America. The Beverage Marketing Corporation reveals that per capita, CSD consumption in the U.S. plummeted from 51 gallons in 1998 to 38 gallons in 2018. This development is mainly caused by evolving consumer preferences that favor healthier and more natural beverages such as water, tea, coffee, and juice. CSDs contribute around 25% of PepsiCo's total revenue and are a fundamental source of profitability for the corporation. Consequently, PepsiCo must explore means of counterbalancing the decline in CSD sales by expanding its other beverage categories or adjusting its prices. Intense competition. PepsiCo faces intense competition in the dynamic and diverse food and beverage industry from both global behemoths and local players. Coca-Cola, PepsiCo's main rival, dominates a larger market share in the global beverage market, boasting about 25% compared to PepsiCo's 20%, and boasts stronger brand value, ranked 6th compared to PepsiCo's 29th by Interbrand. Moreover, Coca-Cola has a more focused strategy on beverages than PepsiCo, which may provide it an edge in innovation and marketing. PepsiCo also contends with other formidable competitors such as Nestle, Keurig, Dr. Pepper, Mondelez International, General Mills, Kellogg, and many other regional or local brands that may have lower costs or better understanding of consumer preferences in their respective markets. Regulatory risks. One of the regulatory risks confronting PepsiCo is its potential restrictions and taxes levied by governments and health authorities on its products, particularly CSDs and snacks, due to their high sugar, calorie, or fat content. These measures have the potential to impact PepsiCo's sales volumes and profitability, as exemplified by the UK's sugar tax on soft drinks in 2018, which led to price increases of up to 24%. Moreover, in 2020, Mexico enacted a law prohibiting the sale of junk food to children under the age of 18. These regulatory risks pose a considerable threat to PepsiCo's operations in these markets. PepsiCo is a company that has proven its ability to deliver consistent and profitable growth over the years. Its financial performance, market position, innovation strategy, sustainable initiatives, and dividend policy make it a compelling investment opportunity for long-term investors looking to invest in the food and beverage industry. PepsiCo's global reach, strong brand, efficient cost management, and ability to generate strong cash flow make it a compelling investment opportunity for investors who value stability, consistency, and long-term growth potential. However, like any investments, there are also potential risks and challenges to consider. It is always important to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable investment insights.